Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to Math 31, Calculus, Chapter 2, Section 4, the Power Rule, Part 2. Now, talked about power rules, finding derivatives. So, let's do this equal question, and we're done. So, a manufacturer of cartridges for stereo systems has designed a stylus with a parabolic cross-section as shown in the figure. Youngins, needle for a record player. Vinyl? Ask your parents, they'll tell you. Now, the equation of the parabola is y equals 8x squared, where x and y are measured in millimeters. If the stylus sits in a record groove whose sides make an angle of theta with the horizontal direction, where tan of theta is 2.5, find the points of contact P and Q of the stylus and the groove. So, P and Q. Where do those two lines intersect? So what do we know here? Well, I'm going to add a page right off the bat. Now, a couple of things. I told you, tan theta is 2.5. Okay? Now I want to point out that's y over x, or rise over run, which is m. So, now, to be more specific, if we look at the line NQ, that slope is plus 2.5. The slope of NP is minus 2.5. Okay? I got to tell you that, because then the rest of this is straightforward. Now, so this means dy dx at q is 2.5, and the derivative at p is minus 2.5. So the slope and the derivative. Okay? That's the confusing part. Once you figure out, okay, I'm telling you the derivative is 2.5 at q and minus 2.5 at p, the rest is pretty straightforward, because y equals f of x is 8x squared. Equation of the parabola, f prime dy dx, or f prime of x, whatever you want to call it, will be 16x. All right? Now, 16x equals 2.5. Solve for x. So here, at point Q, this is at Q, so x is 2.5 divided by 16, which is, Mr. Calculator will tell you that's 532, which is 0.195. No, sorry, that's not it. Sorry, 530 seconds, that's not it. That's my x value, sorry. Y, well, y is 8x squared. Which is 8 times 530 seconds squared. That, sorry, 0.195. So, I can't read my own writing. That's 0.156 is 530 seconds. 0.195 is my y value. So at point Q, the coordinates are 0.156, 0.195. Now, what about at point P? Well, at point P, 16x equals minus 2.5. Minus 2.5 over 16, which is minus 530 seconds, which is minus 0.156. So y, sorry, color, still blue, my bad, 8x squared, which will still be 0.195. So the other coordinate is minus 0.156, 0.195. Alright? So that's what I expect you to be able to do. And yeah, that tangent to the slope thing is a little difficult, which is why I did it as an example. But this is what I expect you to be able to do. Alright? Now the homework is page 83, numbers 1 to 11. Work on that, please. If you got any questions, shoot me an email. Otherwise, congratulations.